Hello everyone, do you want to go ahead and download some games but you don't know how to? Well, in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Last Epoch 3 on your computer or your laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you want to go ahead and open up your browser right here. Of course, you could go ahead and use any. You want to go ahead and head over to google.com, and inside just go ahead and search for Steam. After that, you will go ahead and see the search results right here, and this is the only place that you could go ahead and download Baldur's Gate 3. Steam is a video game digital distributor service, and once inside, you want to go ahead and locate the install Steam button. You could just go ahead and see that right beside your profile icon. Now you want to go ahead and click on install Steam right here. After installing Steam, just go ahead and open up their application, and then you will be prompted right through their storefront. Inside, you want to go ahead and locate the search bar, and you could just go ahead and search for any games that you want to. In our case, we are looking for Last Epoch. So you want to go ahead and search Last Epoch right here, and then you will be prompted to the search results. You could just go ahead and locate by clicking on the specific game right here, which is Last Epoch. Now after clicking on it, you will be brought to the Last Epoch storefront. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Buy Last Epoch Add to Cart. You want to go ahead and add to cart right here, and you want to pay for your game. After paying for the game, you will then be able to download it right through your computer, and basically you will be able to play it from there. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.